Hello dear students. Today we are going to read the chapter Places Around Us. Sorry for the delay, means as we all were busy with the result preparation, so we became very late, means 2-3 days late to give you the video on this chapter. Basically when you will see the video you can understand better. I think you have read the chapter Places Around Us. Now this is the video, and if you see the video, if you listen to the explanation, you can understand better this chapter. So we live in a society. First of all, what is society? The people in a group live in a particular place, and their culture and their other habits, behaviors and other things. So it generally turns into a society. And neighborhood, another word here we can see, neighborhood. What is that? People who are around us. So all together we are neighborhood, means the neighbors are together and it becomes a neighborhood. Okay, so in our neighborhood there are many places from where we get some help or facility, and we also help them by visiting that places time to time, because in neighborhood or in society the exchange of means exchange of things or coming and going, means in requirement of the people, it builds a society relation. Okay, so you can see in this picture, this is a high school. You know, you are also reading in a high school, means a school which is of high school standard, means 10+2 standard. Your school's name is Sharada Vidya Mandir, but here we can see another school. Maybe there are many different schools in our area. So here you can see one Chaplin Park High School. If you see the video, if you can see the picture, you can see there is a high school. So students are coming out and going. Okay, in your school also you visit the places and you learn many things. So regularly you came to school earlier, means now this year you could not visit the school for some different purpose. Okay, now what we can see in our neighborhood? First of all, school you can say. So school, maybe school is near to your house or maybe very far from your house. That is not the matter, but the school is in our locality and it is in our neighborhood also. Okay, now you can see in the next picture, hospital. Hospital is a place where we go for treatment or any kind of larger treatment or operations and other things. So here we can visit the doctor. Doctor suggests us many things, and if we have any other better treatment, then we have to visit hospital, because hospital has the facilities. Okay, here we can, here there are many apparatus through which we can treat ourselves in a better way. So there is a hospital in our locality also. So maybe far from your house or near to your house, but hospital is also a very important place in the society. Okay, next you can see the doctor. He is a doctor wearing a lab coat. Okay, this is the lab coat or overcoat, white color, and there is a stethoscope. You can see the doctor has put the end of the stethoscope, means the two pipes, means here the style is, means that in the ear the doctor has put the stethoscope, and another end of the stethoscope you can see this is a little girl. He is checking the heartbeat. Okay, so doctor know the better use of this stethoscope. This is one medical apparatus. Okay, doctor use these things several many times or all the times. You see the doctor is smiling, means talking with the girl maybe, or and checking also. So this is the doctor's work. Okay, so in the hospitals or medical clinic we visit doctor, and doctor treat us very carefully. In your book also you can see a hospital where the doctor is treating one little boy. If you have the book you can see. Now see, this is the picture of stethoscope. These are the medical equipments doctor use. So these two end white colored, these two end doctor put in his ears, and through this pipe he can hear the sound, the heartbeat. Now this is the another end. This is the round shape end. This part of the stethoscope is touched with the body so that the doctor can hear or listen the sound of the heartbeat or any other things. Okay. Now next, you can see here the doctor or the nurse, they are using these needles, means this is injection. Yes, we know it. Many of us we are very afraid of this, but we know why. Whenever we are ill and whenever we need to inject any medicine in our body, that time this type of needle doctor or nurse use. Okay. Next you see the picture. These are the medicines. These are all hospital related, means doctor and treatment related. These are the medicines, capsules, tablets and tonics. And here you will also see different types of medicines, pictures, bottles and pouches are there. So these medicine doctors prescribed us, and we also take these medicines regularly and systematically so that we can cure our problems. Okay, next we can go. So what is this? You can see here in the picture, this is the post office. This is the post office. Here in the Hindi language, I think something is written. The picture is not very clear here. You can see this is the Indian post office. This is the gate, and inside the office there are the counters and other things. Many things are written here. This is the post office. What is the function of the post office? In the post office we buy inland letters and tickets and other things. Also we post the letter here in the red color box, and the letters or the parcels which comes to the post office. Suppose some of your friends or relatives send you letter from outside of your town, so it will come here, distribution will done from here. You will get the letter, and if any kind of query regarding this letter or related or postcard related, you can come here and you can do. You can buy several things, letters, postcards, inland letters from here also. So post office, I think you have not visited directly. Whenever requires you will visit, but this is the place, post office. It has an important value in the society. Okay, next let me see what is the picture. Yes, it is police station. Police station, you see there are the it is written police station, means here actually police personnel, they stay here. So the inspector or the officer in charge, they stay here. Okay, and they actually their duty is to maintain the law and order in the total area of the society or the town or whatever. So their law for maintaining this law and order system, they require one office, and they require one full setup where they can function their duty and all. So from this area they can control their activities. Here many officers are there as general police persons, constables, and many persons are there. So here this police station is very vital place. In case of any kind of problem or theft, we go to the police station to make FIR, first investigation report, means FIR means to lodge a complaint against the thief or against a criminal. So these things we do because of to get rid of crime, means if any problem happen, suppose anybody stole your bicycle or anybody stole the money back from you, so this type of things, or anybody give threatening to you, means any kind of unnatural things, so we can lodge a complaint here. The police personnel will listen to that and take necessary action. So this is the police station. You are very little kids, it means you are just 5 years, you are just 6 years, class 1, means here now in this little age it is not possible to you for visiting all the places, but you should know all the things. What is this, what about that, what is going on, means what is the function of this kind of places, means these things. So this is also an important place in the neighborhood or society. Police station, yes. Do you know where is Raiganj police station? Yes, it is in Okilpara area. Okilpara, there is one area. Raiganj police station is there, and also the road there. It is called the police station road or the Thana road. Thana is the Bengali word, I think. Okay. Now you see the next. What is written here? Can you see? State Bank of India. Yes. State Bank of India. You can see here. This is a bank. Bank means what? Where we can deposit something and from where we can get something. Okay. So this is the transaction place. Means bank means at first what comes to our mind, that is the money related. Means we deposit our money or our extra money or the what we require. Beside that, the extra money, or now we can use our money time to time. So all the money together we do not keep in our hand, because in the house there is a question of security also. That is why if I have the more money, then we keep it in our bank. In the bank there is account, special place for you. So in that account your money can be kept. Okay. Bank officials will take the responsibility, and whenever you require the money, you go to bank and you, by signing one form, you can take your money. Bank has many facilities, ATM, and other e-corners are also here in Raiganj. So from there we can we can deposit our money and we can withdraw our money also. So mainly money transaction, other many facilities are also there. So kindly note that bank is a very important thing, a very, very important place for society. And this is the name of a particular bank, State Bank of India. Means we are the citizens of India, and this is the State Bank of India. I show you because there should be one name so that you can understand. And here you can see one blue circle. This is the logo of State Bank of India. Okay, blue circle, and here one white color long line. Okay. Now next, any picture wherever is there, let me see. Yes, what can you see? What is this? I think you are all aware of this. This is a park, children's park. See, one children is running and other children are playing here. There also, you see, there are many children like you love to go to park. Yes, I think you love to go to park. There is one municipal park here. Many other park may be there. Actually, I visited municipal park several times. It is very good, and though people do not visit all the time, but sometimes, especially in winter time, people or children, they visit the park and take some ride of this play items. Okay. So this is a very interesting area. Here people can refresh themselves, refresh their mood. Children love to play and love to shout, just jump and other things, So children become very happy when they visit the park. So this is the park, and park is a very beautiful place for regaining your energy. Especially you get enough space here to become free and frank yourself. Okay, next, there is no other picture. Again you can see the park. Okay, so these are the things in our books also. These are the pictures you have seen. So in this way we can say that we know about many places around us. Okay, many places around us. These places are very important. Generally we visit these places, not all places, but some places we have definitely visited. Suppose school, doctor's clinic, park. Okay, so you know what is the use of this medical equipments. What is the use of this medical equipment? Stethoscope. So these things I think you have seen once in your short lifespan. You have seen and you have an idea. So okay dear, today this much only. This is the just nothing, but I know that you all read the book and you have got an idea. Obviously your parent and guardian or the tutors have helped you, but till then it is my duty, my part. I must say something to you so that you can understand better. Okay dear, today this much. Next day we will continue with the next half of the chapter, maybe question answer. So please see the video, try to understand and try to read the book. Okay, thank you.